I'm just thinking about you, always dreaming about you. How you?
Hi everyone, Petalisbless here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on today to share with you guys another DIY. I'm going to make a candle slash display little unit. So let's get into the items that we'll be using for this DIY. Okay, we have these round mirrors from the Dollar Tree. We have one of the just a tray part with the mirror in it, and then we have the frame, and we have this glass candle holder tray, and we have a regular candle holders, and we have some bling wrap from Totally Dazzled, our flower bling wrap from Amazon, and I have some black acrylic paint here, or you can use the spray paint you can get from Walmart. It's up to you which one. And we have these foam brushes here, but we'll be just using the sticks of the foam brush. Yeah, take off the top part, we'll just use the sticks. And we have some E6000 and our scissors and our glue gun, you guys. Alright everyone, let's get started. Okay, we're going to take our black paint and we're just going to paint our sticks black. Okay, our sticks are dry, so we're just going to add the bling wrap going around our stick using the hot glue gun.
Girl, I just need you to stay true to me. Yeah, stay true. And I just
Now we're going to take our round mirror and we're going to add some of the flower bling wrap going all the way around the outside of the mirror, of the frame of the mirror.
And baby girl, if there's anything I want you to know, it's just for you to know, just for you to know. Send me why you, yeah, send me need you, just for you to know. Send me love you, send me love you. Well, alright now, just for you to know. Send me why you, just for you.
And now it's time to add our sticks to the mirror now, you guys. Now I'm going to use the glue gun to place them down, which you have to use a lot of the glue gun, which you'll see. After I place them down, and give them a few minutes to dry, because the glue, it's still hot, so you have to wait till it cools down for it to fully dry and hold firm. And now we're going to add the round frame on top of this one. And when I add it in, I'm going to go in with more glue to help keep it firm. And I also went over it with some E6000 and let it dry overnight. And now with our flat tray candle holder, we're just going to bling it out. We're putting the bling wrap going all around the outside of the candle holder.
I'm just thinking about you, always dreaming about you.
And here's our finished look, you guys. I think it looks very nice. It's a mirrored candle holder slash display stand. Yeah, I like how it turned out. I think it looks very nice. I like the mirror on the bottom and the flower bling going around. And our little diamond accent going up the legs. Now I left the top part blank because, as you see, the candle holder is inside with a little bling going around it. And whatever you place on top will also have that added touch, so you don't need too much on the top part of our stand. But I think it looks very nice. And here's our display stand with a large round candle on top. I think it looks very nice like this. Or you can have it with a this kind of candle holder on top also. A little bit more bling. And with these candle holders, what I do is I use the candles that already come in a glass case, which I got this from Dollar Tree, so sorry. I got this one from Dollar Tree, and I just place it inside, and then I burn my candles. That's what I do. A lot of you have been asking me, how do I place the candles within these kind of jars, and that's how I do it. And here it is, displaying an object. Any little accent piece you like to display, you can place on top, and it looks lovely. And here's another way we can place it. You can put some flowers on top. Any way you choose, it will look lovely. It's a lovely display stand or candle holder. Yeah. Alright everyone, I hope I've inspired you once again with another lovely DIY for you guys to try. And don't forget to like and leave me a comment. Tell me which way you like this stand, as a candle holder or as a display stand. Yeah, let me know down below in the comment section. And if you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and press that subscribe button so you can come back and see more of the DIYs that I come up with to share with you guys. And remember, as always, stay blessed from Petalisbless. Bye-bye, everyone.
I'm just thinking about you, always dreaming about you. How you got me, yeah. Oh no, we gon' stop by saying